Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef liver spread. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh beef liver, ensuring it's thoroughly cleaned and trimmed. Also, have 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of butter ready. Don't forget half a cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and your preferred seasonings like salt and pepper. Now let's prepare our main components. First, slice the cleaned beef liver into roughly 1-inch pieces. This helps it cook evenly. Next, finely chop your large onion and mince the 2 cloves of garlic. For a milder flavor, you can soak the liver in milk for about 30 minutes, then drain it well before cooking. This step is optional but highly recommended for a smoother taste. It's time to cook. In a large pan, melt the butter over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onions and minced garlic until they are soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Add the liver pieces and cook them until they are nicely browned on all sides. Pour in the chicken broth, bring it to a simmer, and cook for about 10 minutes. Finally, transfer the mixture to a food processor. Add the heavy cream and blend until completely smooth. Once blended, taste your liver spread and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, pepper, and any herbs you like, such as thyme or parsley, until it's perfect. Transfer the spread to a serving dish or airtight container and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld and the spread to firm up. Serve it with crackers, toast, or fresh bread. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade liver spread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.